So this week we moved from chapter 2 to chapter 3. Chapter 3 is all about graphing. And so this week you're going to begin just with an introduction of the rectangular coordinate system, how to draw a graph of a linear equation. There's an interesting video from the Mythbusters television show that kind of walks you through the important elements of a graph. So make sure you pay attention to that. You'll start graphing lines and learn about intercepts. The better that you understand this material, the easier that next week is when we start getting into slope and writing the equation of lines, not just graphing the lines. I also wanted to point out, again, just in case you missed it, at the bottom of the modules, you will see the journal materials. So you can see here the PDF for Chapter 2 journal, the PDF for Chapter 3 journal, and you can go ahead and start in on your Chapter 2 journal. It could already be done. You'll also notice down here the glossary. Keep in mind, mine looks a little bit different from yours. You can't see the Chapter 4, 5, 6, and 8 yet. But go ahead and get started on those journals. If you have any questions, you can always take a picture and email it to me, and I can offer you any suggestions on what I think you could change or keep everything the same. Email me if you have any questions.